This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nina Beniak. Welcome to 11 Princess Kathleen Lane. This charming home features a desirable split 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan, perfect for comfortable living and privacy. The galley-style kitchen includes a cozy breakfast nook, ideal for casual dining. The spacious great room offers a welcoming setting for family gatherings and entertaining. Retreat to the large primary suite, complete with a generous walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom featuring a soaking tub, separate shower, and dual vanity sinks. Enjoy summer days in the expansive backyard, whether relaxing in the enclosed patio or making the most of the open space for outdoor fun and activities. Don't miss the opportunity to make this wonderful property your new home. For more information,